Aikari a Nyeri nimekugunika hanene kumana na kwambatirio gikiro gwa Thibitari nene ya Othaya kuria ningi ucenjetio ritwa. Thibitari uyu uria riu ritagwo Mwai Teaching and Referral ukoretwo uri gikiro-ini kia level 5.
So he's come to operationalize Mwai Teaching and Referral Hospital.
Akiaria hindi ya guthurima kana Thibitari uyu ni kwambiriria wira ta Thibitari ya Referral, mwandiki mukaru ministry ya ugima mwega wa mwiri guku bururi-ini Peter augite Thibitari uyu ugukorwo kiambiriria wira gwa kahinda ga ciumia igiri.
The theaters are operational, the ICU equipments are there, the doctors are going to be posted. This is a commitment we got from our peers, and therefore it is substantially equipped.
Thibitari uyu riu urikoragwo kirugamirirwo ni thirikari nene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Ndirangu.